In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable spell check in Notion. If you are tired of those red squiggly lines popping up while you write, this quick walkthrough will show you the simplest way to turn them off so you can focus on your content without distractions. First, let's talk about what you are seeing. When Notion thinks a word might be misspelled, it underlines it in red. That's your spell checker at work. It can be helpful, but if you are using technical terms, brand names, or writing in multiple languages, those underlines can get in the way. Fortunately, disabling spell check in Notion is fast and doesn't require digging through complicated settings. Here is what to do. Find any word that's currently underlined in red in your Notion page, using your mouse or trackpad. Open the context menu by right-clicking on that underlined word. If you are on a trackpad, a two-finger click works too, and on some keyboards, you can hold Control while you click. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Disable Spell Check. Click it. That's it. The red underlines should disappear immediately, letting you type without visual interruptions. If you don't see Disable Spell Check when you write, click the typo. Don't worry. Some users report that the option shows up more reliably if you right-click in a blank area of the page instead of directly on the word. So try clicking into an empty space on your Notion page somewhere with no text and open the context menu there. When the menu appears, look again for Disable Spell Check and select it. You should notice the change right away. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Depending on your device and how you use Notion, the context menu can vary slightly. The option might appear near the middle or bottom of the menu, so take a moment to scan for it. If you later decide you want spell checking back, you can repeat the same right-click process and look for an option to enable it again. Also, remember that spell check is a useful safety net for catching typos. So consider turning it back on when you are done drafting or before sharing important documents. To recap, the fastest path is simple. Right-click a red underlined word and choose Disable Spell Check. If you don't see it there, right-click an empty spot on the page and select the same option from that menu. You are all set. Thanks for watching.